Hi, this is Sanjeev. Today I show you how you create this type of UI. Like whenever you click in plus icon, it increase the value. Whenever click in minus icon, decrease the value by the help of React used hook. Okay. For React used hook, we first know what is React used hook. For that, you have to go W3 School or any other documentation websites. So, what is React used hook? The React used hook allows to track state in a function component. State generally refers to data or properties that need to be tracking in an application. So, important if you use your used hook, you first import used hook in React or index.js. Okay. So for that, you go for index.js, you import React DOM, import app, import your style.css. Okay. In app.js, you first import your React, React. You have to you implement your use state from React. Okay. So after that, you create one function called app, function called sorry, not small. Okay, function called app. In app, you declare a variable like const. Const one is set, one is count, another is set count. Okay, is equal to use state initial value 0. Got it. Okay. So you create one function called increase. In increase, you set your count plus 1. Then in decreases, we have to create another function called decrease. Set your count plus 1. Okay. So you create one for decreases, one for increases. So this return, okay, this return one div. Okay. In div, you pass your class name. In class name, you have to pass container. Okay. After that, you implement your h1. H1 in h1, you pass your count over here. So why I use curly brace over here? I use curly brace over because whenever you implement your JavaScript on HTML, you have to use this curly braces. Okay. So after that, you get two buttons. Button. Okay. Let me copy this. Control C. Okay. So here you uh, write one click. Sorry, one click. One click is equal to decreases. Decrease. You pass the sign minus over here. So here you click one click. on click is equal to increase. Need you put plus sign over here. One curly brace over here. Okay. So what is the error over here? Element type is annually export a string for built-in component for class function. Okay. But got object you likely forgot to export. Okay. Part you because you don't export your F over here, so you export over here. So for that you use uh, export default default F. Okay. You have to export your F. Then what is set count is not defined. Okay. What? Okay. Minor mistake. Here you put C over here and C small c not. Yes. Okay. Then you find achieve your UI. So whenever I click in minus, decreases the 1 minute. In minus, it also increase. Okay. Decrease button, one click. Both time it increases. Then okay. It decreases minor mistake. We have to here minus 1. So fine. You achieve your goal. Thank you. For more this type of video, subscribe my channel. Have a nice day.